Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is somehow an after convention video. At the convention in the build in October I bought another controller, robo interface, and this is my balance model. And why does it balance? Well, it has springs underneath and then it kind of able to balance with this turning around using a motor. And so far I had a power controller with this obviously connected to it, and then it just turns around. But that's kind of simple, and I already have two other models that just turn around or go with bipolar switch. So I thought, okay, let's add this controller. Then obviously Python comes in. So how does it react? How will it work out? Do I want to use switches as well, which are not yet present here? So with that talking, let's connect everything, including the power obviously, and see how things work out with a rather simple program. And I also need to see how this interface works out, because I haven't tested it yet. It may be a failure, it may be very good, I don't know. Let's see. This is obviously a screencast with view to the parts. Well, parts, USB cable, power cable, not yet plugged in, and the balance, which is that one. Then on screen RoboPro, diagnostics interface, and something that has to become the code. But first I need to power something, which is the robo interface. So, well, we have power, obviously. Then how should I address it? Because this is not for nothing. The question is, well, it does have on the back side some number, 93293. The question is, does this recognize it? And I have to select robo interface, go, test. No robo interface found on test. So what do? I have to check. Oh, well, it does say robo interface, or does it? Not quite sure. Let's unplug and replug. All right, once again. Test. Nothing. And then we have the port button. Once again. All right, this means that I'm not quite sure how to address everything. I just have to remove all this. Then from here, I will use just one, because otherwise I don't know if it will work. Then I haven't even given it a name, and this is the wrong directory, obviously. This is the right one, and I call this obviously balance with its Dutch spelling, .py for Python. Alright, save. So now let me also open the interface from the diagnostics. That does not work, seemingly. No. That means that I'm going to do it differently. Right. No. Oh. It's a Python program. All right. Now, what happens? A lot. It can't open the libRoboInt interface. Okay. Well, this is a relatively new computer. Some things haven't been installed properly yet, so I think this is one of them. libRoboInt, not installed yet. To my surprise, by the way, because if you install the whole software, then yes, it should be there. Something to check. And that is it for now. It is working. So a very simple workout. Does it balance? Well, yes and no. Yeah, it does balance, but it's more like connecting it to the interface and solving quite a few problems. Software-wise, not so much hardware-wise. But it works, and that is a massive plus. If you want to see what I solved and how I solved it, you will have to watch the whole video. If not, maybe see you at the convention, and then I may explain it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. And this is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, and see you in the next video or at the convention. Bye.